Okay, welcome to this new programming video. In this, we are going to trying to solve the question. Okay, sorry for that. I'm going to reset this to default. Yeah, there we are. Okay, so we have been given the question of a number of equivalent domino pairs. So in this, the like to understand the question is pretty simple. We are given a list, so it's 1 2 2 1 3 4 5 6. So what we need to do is that like 1 2 is equal to 2 1. So what they are trying to suggest is that let's take this as A, then 2 as B, then here 2 as C, and here 1 as D. Okay, so the pair is said to be a domino pair if A is equal to C and B is equal to D, or it can be vice versa. That's A equal to D and B is equal to C. Any of like any from both of this is possible. So what I'll try to do is that first of all I will iterate through the dominoes and I'll sort the all the elements. So sorting I means that the 1 2 will be 1 2, 2 1 will be again 1 2, then 3 4, then 5 6. By this we can have the range that all the elements are sorted. Now we just need to count it. Okay, so this is my one step. The second step was like I thought something out of box. I don't know whether it's out of box or not, or whether it's too bekar, but sorry, but whether what I did was that the 1 2 I did it as 12. Okay, so I made a string and I did 1 2 as 12, then again this 2 1, but it was sorted, so it again becomes 1 2, and 1 2 I again concatenated it to like 12. So I'll again hashing, so hash of 12 is equal to 2, so something is this kind of, so I'm just writing it one more time. Okay. What I'm trying to do is that length is equal to length of dominoes. Okay, and for I in length I'm doing it, and I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm doing it for I in length, and dominoes of I is equal to sorted of dominoes of I. Once this process is done, basically what we will be getting is that all the elements will be in a sorted form. So 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6. I'm not telling sorted, but inside sorted. That's what I'm suggesting. So by this step I'll convert this to 1 to 1 2. Now I need to maintain a kind of hash map. So I'll just write a hash map for I in dominoes. Okay, now what I'm trying to do is that I'll maintain a try catch as well. So try, except what I'm trying is hash map of str of I of 0 plus str of I of 1 is equal to, okay, plus equal to 1. Okay, so this was what I thought for a really long time, that how can a pair be unique, and that's where I found out whether I convert them to a string and then concatenate it, that can be one of the key to my hash maps. Okay, so that's where I got this idea, this hash map. And if it's not there, I'll just make it as 1. Okay, we have the hash maps. Now we just need to iterate through them. If for hash map dot values. Okay, so if kind of if my I is greater than 1, so that's where my new challenge comes up, where if I have something like say 1 2, so I have 1 2, let's say 4 times. Okay, then I only need pairs. So this is a question of permutation and combination, where there are 4 and only what pairs of 2, so it's 4c2. Now 4c2 means that 4 into 3 by 2, so that means n into n minus 1 by 2, and that's what I'm doing. Hell yeah. Then I is greater than 2, then answer is answer plus and n into n minus 1 by 2. That means that I, okay, so I'm basically doing this I star then again I minus 1 by 2, and if this all goes well, I'll return my answer and it has to be accepted. I don't know. Yeah, okay. Int I in length. Okay, I forgot the range. Int I in, this happens to me this happens with me frequently, so I don't panic anymore. Let's try one more time. Come on, boy. Yeah. Okay. Local answer reference. Answer. Now, where have I declared? I have not declared the answer. Okay. One more try. In 1, 2, 3, 4. Hell yeah, it's done in 5 minutes.